We have a new person. He is sleeping. It's a white boxer. He is so cute. Look at him. Don't wake him up. His name is Ace. I'm not telling you where we live. But what? When was that a thing? Dude, he's so cool. So yeah, this dog might be in the videos. You never know. Just a sec. I'm using a different phone. So cute. Wait, dude. No, stop.
I'm going to show on it.
I know.
Doesn't matter, dude.
No, dude, he's sleeping. You can't do that. I know he is. That is so cute. Is it cute? Is it cute? It's cute. Bro, he's sleeping. You shouldn't do that.
He's going to wake up with a smirk.
And then you can either put it like this. Oh my god! I can't wait until he wakes up. Okay, well that ends it.